3 squared. What's 3? Root 3 squared. That's 3. So we have 12 root 3 divided by 3 here 1, 3 here 4. So I have 4 root 3. And that is definitely the answer of question 31. So which one will definitely match? Which is that? It should be C. Then the next one says rationalize. This one came out 2016. All these questions are UTME questions for designated years. This one came out 2016 as the last edition. So you have to be mindful of all these questions. As you rationalize this, you have root 6 minus root 4 over root 6 plus root 4. This is a conjugate type of sort. So you go and pick the conjugate. What would definitely be conjugate of root 6 plus root 4? The conjugate will definitely be what? Root 6 minus root 4. So we find a fraction of that conjugate, which will be like this. Then we use it to multiply it. So we have root 6 minus root 4 over root 6 minus root 4. When we are opening this, we have to be very careful so that we don't make a mistake. Root 6 times root 6, that would definitely be root 36. Root 6 times minus root 4, that would be minus root 6 times 4, that's 24. Minus root 4 times this, minus root 24. Minus root 4 times this, plus root 16. I have set to that on the numerator. Then I come to the denominator. Use this to multiply these two. Use this to multiply these two. So I'm going to have 4 times in all. This times this, I have root 36. This times this, I have minus 4 root 6. This times this, hey, there's a problem here. This is not 4, this is root 4. So take note of that. So this times this times this, root 36, this times this, minus root 24, this times this, plus root 24, this times this, minus root 16. That's what I'm going to have. Then in this situation, what is root 36? That is 6. This one, minus root 24 minus root 24, that becomes minus 2 root 24, plus root 16, that's 4, over root 36, 6. Minus root 24 plus root 24 to cancel out. You have 0. Minus root 16, that's 4. Then, by the time I add this one to this, I'm going to have 6 plus 4, that's 10. Minus 2 root 24 over 2. I can simplify this one because 24 is definitely going to be what? 6 times 4. So I have 10 minus 2 into 4 times 6 over 2. So this one will definitely give me 10. Root 4 is what? 2. 2 times 2, 4. Minus 4 root 6. So I have simplified that to this. So what this means is that 10 over 2 minus 4 root 6 over 2. Because you know that when you have A plus B over X, it can be written in mathematics as A over X plus B over X. And that's what I did here. So this one can distribute over these 2 terms. I have 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So I have 5 here. 2 minus 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So I have minus 2, 6. So I go to my options and see the one that matches this. 5 minus 2 equals 6. 5 minus 2 equals 6. So it is option D. 5 minus 2 equals 6. Then the last for this part, which is question number 33. You have 27 raised to power 1 over 3 minus 8 raised to power 2 over 3 divided by 16 raised to power 2 over 4 times 2. That's what the question gave us. So in this situation, 27 is 3 raised to the power 3 times 1 over 3 minus, this one can be written as saying cube root of 8 raised to the power 2. That's what it means. Then this one can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 times 2 over 4. Because 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 times 2 raised to the power 1. Because 2 raised to the power 1 is also the same times 2. So these 3 can cancel this. I have 3 raised to the power 1. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared, that's 4 over. This one cancel this. I have 2 raised, which is 4 times 2. So now we have 3 minus 4, because this one is 3 minus 4 over 8. So 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1 over 8. So I have minus 1 over 8. So my answer will definitely be minus 1 over 8. So I go to my option and see the one that correlates with that. Which one correlates with that? That's option C. Question 34, which says that root of 147 minus square root of 75 root of 75 over root of 48. The best way to solve this question within the shortest time in UTME is to quickly picture what would definitely be factors of this 147 such that one of them will definitely be what? A perfect square. So the one that will fit in there is definitely going to be 49. Let's reduce it to know the one that will fit in. So it will be, let's say 3 can go here. 3 and 14, that's 4. And then that 2. So that's 49 times 3 would be a perfect match for that. So I can write 147 as 49 times 3 in that sort. Minus this, that of this one is not far-fetched. 25 times 3. So that's square root of 25 times 3. Then over that of this is not also far-fetched. 16 times 3. So I have something like this. Then what is square root of 49? That's 7. So I have 7 root 3 minus what's square root of 25? 5 root 3 over what's square root of 16? 4 root 3. So I have 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Automatically that will be 2 root 3 over 4 root 3. 3 root 3 can cancel root 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So I have 1 over 2. So I go to my option and pick the option that correlates to that. And that would definitely be option B for question 34. Then question 35. This one says simplify 1 over 2 minus root 3 in the form a plus b root 3. It's not to just solve. You must conform your answer to this format. That's the instruction that has been passed across. So here I have 1 over 2 minus root 3. What I just need to do is to rationalize by the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 2 minus root 3? It will definitely be 2 plus root 3. Then I make it a fraction and use it to multiply it. So this times 2 plus root 3 over 2 plus root 3. 1 times 2 plus root 3, you have 2 plus root 3 over 2 times 2, 4. 2 times plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Minus 2, 3 times 2, that's minus 2 root 3. Minus root 3 times plus root 3, that will be minus root 9, which is, then here if I simplify this, I will have, now 2 plus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, so this one then gives me this. So this is the answer. So I go to the option and pick the option that correlates to this. So here, which option will definitely matches what I have? So I have a 2 plus root 3. So it's a that matches that. So I will just circle a or click on a, and that is my answer. The next question says, that's question 36. If log 7.5 is equal to 0.8751, evaluate 2 log 75 plus log 750. In this situation, we are given 2 log 5 plus log 750. Now, since we are given 7.5, automatically, if I want to convert it to 7.5, all I just need to do is to say 2 log 7.5 times 10. That's the one that will give me 7.5 times 10 will definitely give me 75. So I've not violated the fundamental principle of mathematics there. Plus, in this other case, 7.5 times 100, because 7.5 times 100 will definitely give me what? 750. So I'm still on track. So here, and I know that in law of logarithm, when you have a multiplication, it automatically becomes what? Addition. So I have 2 into, so I can put these 2 outside, 2 into log 7.5 plus log 10. So I'll simplify the first one. Plus, this one becomes log 7.5 plus log 100. So here I have 2 into, what is log 7.5? That been given in the question to be what? 0.8751. What is log 10? That's plus 1. Log 10 is 1. Plus, what is log this? 0.8751. Plus, what is log 100? Log 100 is definitely 2. So I put my 2 here. So if I add this up, I will have 2 into this plus this 1.8751 plus this plus this 2.8751. So what do I need to do? I multiply this by 2 and I add it up with this one. So by so doing, I'll definitely have 2 times 1.8751. So I have, so this one will give me 3.7502 plus what's this? This one will give me 2.8751.